the devil. Okay, let me close this. Okay, y'all, so I'm trying to do a talk through video for my lazy night skincare routine. So what I'm using first to remove the makeup is the Spectrum Organic Virgin Coconut Oil. This coconut oil you can cook with, but I just picked it up at Target because I feel like coconut oil is coconut oil, like whatever. They're cleansers. Even if they have makeup on, I don't feel like this getting my skin as clean as it can. I just feel like you're just mixing cleanser and makeup together. Literally coconut oil. Here, can't you tell already? I'm working fast, but I'm not being rough. Somebody in one of my skincare videos said that paper towel has like formaldehyde in it, but I mean, everything has its, you know, pros and cons. So next step, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands. Next, I wash my face with African black soap. This is the Dudu Asan version. The brand name is called Tropical Naturals Dudu Asan Black Soap. As you can tell, this soap is not completely black. It's more brown. It looks like a rock. I got this bar from the beauty supply. And I just lather it on. Do not get this in your eyes. This hurts more than Noxzema, okay? I swear to God, it hurt way more than Noxzema. So definitely be careful around your eyeballs. Just because I feel like the answer to the question is kind of like common sense, doesn't mean we are sharing the same viewpoint. So first of all, beauty supply, not Ulta, not beauty brands. You may be able to find this in Target. Pretty sure you can find this at Walmart in the ethnic aisle, whatever you want to call it. This is African black soap. If you are not black, yes, you can still use this. I had a feeling like when I was thinking about doing this video, I said somebody gonna ask me if I'm not black, can I use it? It's soap. Like, please don't ask that. Like, you can use it. I'm pretty sure. So price, this bar was like, I want to say $2.99, $3 or something at the beauty supply. You can find it, like I said, beauty supply store, Walmart, possibly Target, possibly CVS, Walgreens. Again, I'm sure it depends on your location. You know, it does not have a strong scent. It's a very natural scent. Some people say that it burns. Some people say that it doesn't feel like anything. Some people just say like it has like a sensation of its own. So you have to try it out for yourself. I personally don't feel like it burns. It just has like a sensation of its own. One bar should last you quite a while. Probably like a good month, I say. To rinse this off. Next up, taking my Dickinson's Witch Hazel. Gonna apply that to a cotton pad. At this point, you could either moisturize your face and go to sleep, but because I'm trying to really dry out these 2 pimples that will not go away for nothing, like, I don't know, it looked like a constellation. That's what it looked like. It looked like a whole constellation that's not drying up. So you can either apply tea tree oil or vitamin E oil to 1, moisturize your face, and 2, clear up some of the acne that you may have. So this is the tea tree I use. It's by the brand called Dafil, I don't know. I got it from CVS for like $8 or $9. This is a 1 ounce bottle. Now, tea tree oil is very strong, so when you apply this, before you apply this, you want to dilute it with water. So say I will pour some on my fingertips, I'll run it under the faucet and then apply it to my face, because this is super strong, very, very strong. If I don't use the tea tree oil, I use vitamin E capsules, and all you gotta do is just puncture it with like a pair of scissors or a knife, and you get 30 capsules in this bottle from the brand 365 Everyday Value, which I believe is a Target brand, if I'm not mistaken. No, I'm sorry, Whole Foods. I got this from Whole Foods. Just literally squeeze it out. We only used 3 products. I'm not even gonna include the coconut oil just because I haven't even been wearing makeup like that, so I jump right into my skincare routine. Any questions or comments, y'all know where to leave them. Don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video.